Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you for clicking in. Today I'm bringing you math and we are going to solve for x and y. We want to get the value of x and y in this given equation. We have x minus 4y is equals to negative 4 and I have another equation x, y is equals to 8 and I want to solve the value of x and y. So the first step, I will label these two equations and this will be my equation 1 and this will be my equation 2. So I'll begin by equation 1, x, I want to make this x the subject. So this will be x is equals to negative 4y, it's coming to this side, it becomes a positive. So this will be 4y minus 4, this one here. So this is x and my x, it's 4y minus 4. I am going to substitute these values in my equation 2. Substituting these values in my equation 2. So here we go. X, y is equals to 8 and I have our x which is 4y minus 2. So this will be 4y minus 4 into y, this y here is equals to 8. Right? So let me open the brackets. This will be 4y squared minus 4y minus 8. I'm bringing this 8 on this side is equals to 0. We have formed a quadratic equation. Let me divide both sides by 4 to simplify the equation. So this is y squared minus y minus 2 is equals to 0. Right? I want to solve it using factorization method. This is a quadratic equation and I want to solve it using factorization method. So my sum will be negative 1. My product will be negative 2. Look for two numbers. When we add them, we are getting negative 1. When we multiply them, we are getting negative 2. So these two numbers are negative 2 and 1. So my next step, I'll substitute these two numbers in this equation. So y squared minus 2y, this one here, plus 1y, this one here, minus negative 2. So minus 2 is equals to 0. Group them into 2. I'll group them into 2 terms that way and factor out the common factor, and for this term here our common factor here is y, so I'll factor out y. So this will be y into y minus 2, and for this case here I'm going to factor out y 1. I'm going to factor out 1 and it will be 1 into y minus 2 is equals to 0, right? So y minus 2, it's common, it's the same, write it down. Y minus 2 into, pick the ones that are left outside, y plus 1 is equals to 0. So we want to find the value of y. Y minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so y is equals to 2. This is the first value of y. Y is equals to 2. Our second value of y, we have y plus 1 is equals to 0. So y is equals to negative 1. So our second value of y is negative 1. We want to find now the value of x. We have found the value of y. We can now find the value of x. Remember this equation 2, which states xy is equals to 8. You can remember this equation 2. Xy is equals to 8. And I have the value of y, which is 2. So x into 2 is equals to 8. So 2x is equals to 8, divide by 2, divide by 2. These 2 here will cancel and x is equals to 4. Okay? X is equals to 4. This is the first value of x. X is equals to 4. We can now find the value of x. on this side. We have x, y is equals to 8. We have the value of y as -1. So x into -1 is equals to 8. I'll divide by -1 and divide by -1. So this will cancel. X is equals to -8. Our second value, x is equals to -8. So our solution was, we want to find the value of y, which we have already. Y is equals to 2 or -1. This one here, y is equals to 2 or y is equals to -1. Our value of x is equals to 4 or x is equals to x is equals to 4 or x is equals to -y. So this was the solution of our equation. We had two answers for x and two answers for y, and this is the correct answer. So remember to like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye bye.